Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete files from your Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your drive or trying to free up storage space, deleting unnecessary files is a quick and easy way to clean things up. To delete a file, simply right-click on it and choose Move to Trash. If you want to delete multiple files at once, you can click and drag your mouse to select several files, then right-click and choose Move to Trash. In this example, I'll delete just one file. I'll right-click the file, then select Move to Trash. Now, keep in mind that this does not permanently delete the file. It still takes up storage space while it's in the trash. To free up that space, you need to go to the Trash section in the left sidebar. From there, you can either delete individual files permanently by right-clicking and selecting Delete Forever, or you can remove everything in the trash by clicking Empty Trash in the top right corner. Please note, once a file is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered. Also, any files left in the trash will be automatically deleted forever after 30 days. And that's how you delete files from Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.